This is an endoscope known as a borescope. I'm going to go over there, take that out, and I'm going to go as far down as I can go to about the mid side of the door. All this water has got to be coming from that drain, and I got to see why that's leaking in the house. Well, you know, these things, they come off if you pull them off gently. All I gotta do is just hook this up like so, slide it on, turn it on, and I could watch the video by recording. I got all this cable that I could put down in there. As you can see, there's the video. I could switch it to the side of the camera and then back there, and I could zoom in and zoom out. I could lean over, put it in there, push it on down. So there's my picture, as you can see. And I just want to get a nice look inside there. Well, I was able to look in there, but not able to see what I wanted to see. But at least it looked good. And let's just hope it stays that way on the next one. See you later.